Hello guys, you're welcome back to Simple Ideas and thank you very much for clicking on this video. Yes, so in today's video I'll be sharing with you how to build a passive income using CPA marketing. We are actually going to use a black hat strategy. I said black hat strategy, and as usual this video is for informational and entertainment purposes only and is not intended to provide professional advice. Okay, now let's get right into the video. You may be asking, what is CPA marketing? So CPA marketing is actually the type of marketing where you promote product and your client don't need to pay anything. Okay, your client don't need to pay anything, and then you actually, yes, oh, you get paid for doing that. Yes, so just head back to Google, type in Cpagrip, open Cpagrip, and it will take you to this page. We're actually signing up to one of the best CPA marketing platforms. Okay, it's called Cpagrip. So make sure you fill in your details. Okay, just fill in your details, and then the Skype, you just have to download the Skype app, and then you just sign up, and then the publisher type, set it to what, email. Okay, then so that you can enter your email. Now you can see I've filled my details and everything, but it's left with what, the website. I know you don't have a website, so just stay along with me. Okay, now um to get a website, we're actually going to what, Google, and then search for something like how to train dogs, how to train cats, and open one of these articles. Okay, just search for anything, and then when you open that, just tap on the key. Okay, and you see the website over there. Long press on it, it says copy. Come and paste it over there. Okay, so when you paste it over here, you actually see a lot of, I mean, keywords attached to the website. So make sure you clear everything so that we get the website. Okay, so something like um this www.vitalessentialsraw.com. Okay, we will clear everything. So let me clear this slash over here, and then this https2, let me clear that. Okay, so if we're in Ghana too, the time zone is what, 00. Okay, 00 Greenwich mean time. Okay, yes. So once that you fill everything, how did you hear about us? Just type in YouTube, and then make sure you tick all these three boxes. Okay, so after ticking these three boxes, just tap on register. It will take you to this page. Now you can see account settings. Tap on it, file W8 international. Okay, so make sure you tap on it, and then you fill these details. After filling these details, just save it. Okay, so once you have saved it, it will take you back to your dashboard. Tap on these three um dash over there. Okay, then tap on offer tools. Now you see what, my office. Okay, so make sure you tap on my office. It will take you to this page. You can see we have offers for both Android, iPhone, and both desktop. Okay, and then categories, set it to email or zip. Okay, just set it to email or zip, and make sure you select the very first one. Okay, which is desktop and all mobile. Okay, now it will load for you. Okay, so you can see if I select all mobile, it has loaded. So make sure you select the very first one. Now you can see this offers, select one, meaning the Android one. Okay, you know a lot of people use Android. Okay, so make sure you select the offer for Android, because a lot of people use Android. Okay, so when you select the offer and when someone taps on the link, they will see this page. Okay, so they just have to enter their email to win this 750 cash reward. Okay, so copy the link to this landing page. Okay, open your docs and paste it right over there. Okay, so just long press over there, and then you can just paste it over. So after pasting it, save it. So let me save it something like, let's say, CPA, because we are actually doing CPA market. Okay, now that you've been able to save it, we are actually going to execute the black hat strategy. Okay, so make sure you take your time. Okay, I said take your time very well and watch this video to the end. Okay, and guys, I would like you to smash the like button and also subscribe to join the small family. Okay, just like the video and subscribe if you're actually enjoying this video. Now let's get into how we can share this link to actually make the money that we are talking about. Okay, yeah, so just open your browser and open new incognito tab, I mean a private tab. Okay, and search for this website called anyimage.io. We're actually going to learn how to promote these links on Facebook without getting banned. Okay, yes. And you can see on my screen, this is actually one of the this is actually the trick I used on one similar website to get this result. So I mean, take your time and watch this video to the end. This website was actually a scam, but the one that we are using right now is very legit. Okay, so once the website opens, if you were actually in my WhatsApp group, you can see one of the pictures I posted over there. Okay, if you are not in there, make sure you join. Now tap on browse files. Now you can see can select one of these images. So this is what, a cat and a dog. I'll actually name the website, I mean Pixels website, where you can download this image. So you can just adjust it. Okay, so after adjusting it, just come back to the top and the title, type in something like why dogs really love cats even though they are all different. Okay, just type in something very very catchy. Okay, yes, something very very catchy. And then for the description to okay, so let me just adjust the image so that it is suitable. So let me just adjust it. So the description, just have to type in something like watch this very funny video. Okay guys, I said follow everything step by step. Okay, watch this very funny video to understand why. Now destination URL, so just paste the link that we copied. Okay, now you can see everything is fine, the image is fine over here. So once that it is okay, just tap on finish. Okay, it says uploading. So once it's uploading, like this video and let's continue. Okay, I love it too much. So once that it is finished, just copy this link, open your docs again and come and paste it over there. Now we are going to learn how we can post this link on Facebook without getting banned. Okay, and I said this is a black hat strategy, so make sure you don't abuse this. Okay, if you abuse it, you actually get banned. Okay, yes. So just head back to Facebook and select the groups. Okay, if you stay along with me to the end of this video, I will actually share with you the groups that you can join so that you can get faster results. So once you've been approved, just write something like thanks admin for approving my request to join this group. I would like to know more about. Then you just put the name of the group over here. So you can something like relationship, dating, cats and dogs over there. Okay, so just write something like this and post. Don't add anything. Okay, now you can see it says your post was received, but admins will need to approve it before it's available to others. Okay, so just wait for them to approve it, and once they are approving it, now comment down below in the comment section if you don't understand anything in this video. I actually have more time for you. Yes, I love you too much, so I have more time for you and I'll answer that very question for you. Okay, so once you can see one of my posts was approved, and just tap on the three dots on the post. Okay, you can see edit post, and then make sure you edit this post nicely. So just type in something like take 2 minutes of your time to watch this short very short video to understand why people really love Roman Reigns. This is actually one of the posts I created. Okay, when my post was when my first post was approved in the group, I went and then what edited it, and you can see it has over what 37k members, all from the United States. Okay, not all of them will be from United States, but at least majority of them. Okay, now let's get into how we can execute the next hack. So the next hack is for you to select the group. I said we are going to use what the USA Facebook account we created. Okay, so if you tap on the members, you will see what members living in New York, because my location was what in New York. So we actually see members that are in New York, and you can scroll down. So if you're a boy, make sure you select the beautiful girls. Okay, yes, select the beautiful girls. If you're a girl, to select the fine boys. Okay, so just I selected Brenda Jackson, a very nice lady over here. So just tap on message and write in something like, hey Jackson, how are you doing? Can we connect to become new friends? Okay, just write something like this and then continue like I just noticed that we are in the same group. Okay, so when they reply back, go ahead and then send them this link. Okay, just convince them, they will actually click on it. And then congratulations, if you're still watching the video, let me give you the bonus tip in this video. Okay, so the bonus tip is what is for you to join these recommended groups to get faster results. So join relationship and dating groups, cats and dogs, celebrity groups. And then celebrities, make sure you target wrestlers, musicians, boxers. So that's it, and thank you very much for watching this video. Bye.